In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can use price tiers within the PIM on price lists. So, if we look at an example of our customer portal, this product here can be sold at 149, 145 for 5, and 142. So if I went into it, you can see these price tiers here, and then I change the quantities. You can see the price actually reflected in the selling price. These are often used in lots of campaigns and the like. Equally, I could have set a minimum order quantity here within the price tier section. But we're going to show you how to do that now. Let's have a quick look at the process. Very similar. So, we select a product variant. This is we're going to be looking at something that's got variants, because I equally want to change the variant prices, as I've been doing in earlier videos. We're selecting the price list to update. We're then going to be editing that's on that product. So that product might have a number of price lists that are associated with the products and the product variants. So I just want to choose which one I'm going to update. We're then going to be updating the prices themselves, and we're going to be adding a price tier, which you'll see at the bottom. We're just going to be creating the tiers. In this instance, in my example, I'm going to create one with 5, where I want to, have a price of £8, one at 10, for quantity 10, down it to £7.50 or $7.50 or whatever euros or other currency you're using on that price list. And once we save it, then if the product is using variants, then those variant elements will also be changed. So this is a way of just updating one record. And if you've got lots of variants, you can update many. So, as I say, this is the process that we're going to be following. If you did want to set an MOQ, a minimum order quantity, just change the quantity 1 to whatever you need it to be, and that will be the minimum quantity allowed to be sold, on this price list. So, you've got control over that as well. So let's just get back to our test system, follow this process. So we go to pricing. We've already got, a product set up. We could have done this right at the beginning as well, by the way, but I'm cutting these down into little bites so you can follow them. We want the edit button here. We can see that we've got a unit of a quantity of 1, a quantity of 10. Just press the add price button, and add your requirements. So £8, add a price tier here. We want to sell 10 at £7.50. By the way, I will actually update this. You've got to buy a minimum of 2 for this, just to show that thing. To keep some form of continuity, these are not really relevant in this element, because pricing will be updated by the price tier section to the variants. So once we're happy, just save this down. And if we now go into our variant tab, what we can see is we've got our 2, 5, and 10, our 10, 8, and 750 for this item. And this item, we've got that. If we want to go in and actually edit individual pricing, we can go into the variant and change these specifically there. But I will cover that in another video about not working, at the parent level, but working just at the variant level, where they may have different pricing structures for the various variants.